So if you want to be happy, think in terms of happiness. While you're out here getting the steps in, if you're doing a Fitbit challenge or you're doing what I'm doing, just getting a certain amount of steps, I'm doing 20,000 steps a day this month. A good practice, if you want to have a happier walking experience, is to think of something that brought you joy the previous day. Yesterday, I was laughing with housemates, just vibing, and think of something during the day that made you laugh. And what you'll start to do, especially if you're doing this every day, you will start to form a habit of focusing on things that bring you joy. So the tendency is to focus on things that make us worried or envious or fearful. But with a conscious effort and a conscious practice that has been studied by positive psychologist Sean Anker in his talk, The Happiness Advantage, just by focusing on positive experiences, you feel happier in the moment. You feel happier now. So understand that we think in pictures, the subconscious mind thinks in pictures, and the habits you form in the images you focus on in your mind tend to create repeating loops in your brain, and we want to experience more joy in our lives by focusing on the good experiences that we have, because we could have tons of good experiences, but if we don't focus on it, we don't relive those experiences, we don't increase our potential well-being. And if we don't focus on the good, what tends to happen is a vacuum is created, and what will fill that vacuum is all the stress and all the worry and all the fear and envy that we have in our lives. So that is my message of today. Don't forget to consume a lot of fruits and vegetables. If you're walking, you're already out in nature, but it's good to get out in nature. Get good rest, stay hydrated, and stay connected socially, because all these things are going to contribute to a holistic perspective in health and happiness. Peace.